I knew these would go off of this.
For the following county, District
Like,
of
look
Columbia,
outside, bro.
Montgomery, Maryland, and the following counties. In Virginia, Arlington, Fairfax, Loudoun, and Prince William, and the following independent cities. In Virginia, Alexandria,
We got a
Fairfax,
high wind warning
Falls
before,
Church,
and now we got a
Manassas Park,
flood
and
warning.
Manassas. Flood warning in effect until
And it's
11:30
winter
p.m. this evening.
already, so
Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected.
not
The
even in the
areas affected
northeast though.
include portions of D.C., including the following: District of Columbia, Central Maryland, including the following county: Montgomery, and Northern Virginia, including the following counties: Arlington, City of Alexandria, City of Fairfax, City of Falls Church, City of Manassas, City of Manassas Park, Fairfax, Loudoun, and Prince William. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 11:30 p.m. Tuesday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 3:27 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a broad area of moderate to heavy rainfall. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Given moist soil conditions due to recent rains, rivers are responding quickly and rising towards flood stage. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Arlington, Alexandria, Germantown, Centerville, Gale City, Rockville, Bethesda, Gaithersburg, Reston, Leesburg, Annandale, Olney, Springfield, South Riding, Herndon, Fairfax, Langley Park, Beltsville, Fort Hunt, Vienna. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
The air's just cut off. Is it gonna?
And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service. Issued at 12:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hazardous weather conditions for Baltimore, Washington region today between 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.